For making banana walnut muffins, we need all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, oil, baking powder, eggs, chopped walnuts, vanilla essence, dried bananas, milk and muffin mold. Take a bowl and add all-purpose flour, baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix well and keep it aside. In another bowl, take the bananas and peel off the skin. Now, using a fork, mash the bananas completely. Add the powdered sugar in a bowl and mix oil in it. With the help of a whisk, beat it nicely for 2 minutes. Now we will add the eggs one by one and beat it nicely with the sugar and oil mixture. We will now add the mashed bananas into this mixture and mix it well. Now add half of the flour mixture and gently mix everything using cut and fold process. Add the remaining flour mixture and using the same cut and fold process, mix the flour into the cake batter. We will now add vanilla essence and mix it well into the batter. If the batter becomes too thick, then add 2 tablespoons of milk. Coat the chopped walnuts with a teaspoon of all-purpose flour. This will prevent them from sinking to the bottom. Now add these walnuts into the batter. Take the muffin molds and fill them with the batter. Place the muffin molds in a preheated microwave and cook them at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Insert a toothpick or a skewer to check whether the muffins are done or not. They are looking perfectly cooked. Let them stay in the microwave for another 5 minutes. Our banana walnut muffins are done. Let me demold a muffin and show you. See how beautifully this is baked.